So here we have these Storystore heavy-duty shelf brackets. It came with these two brackets along with some different mounting hardware to mount it. They're made of stainless steel and are supposed to be able to hold 550 pounds. But we'll attempt to test that after I install these. I am noticing that these edges are a little bit rough, so you might want to take some sandpaper and smooth them out. This is the closed position, and then when you want to open it up, just fold it out like this, and now it's locked together. And then to close it, just pinch this lever and fold it back up. It's got a bunch of different holes to mount it, so let's get to that now. I have this chop saw workbench here, and sometimes I just need a little bit more length on this table. So I'm going to install these shelf brackets right here. Go ahead and take the first one, set it to where you want it, and then screw it in. And then do the same with the second one. And make sure they're level with each other. Then screw it in. Alright, so now that that's put together, let's see how much it can hold. I weigh about 170 pounds, so here we go. Alright, well that seemed to hold just fine. I'm not sure I'd trust it for 550 pounds, but you're going to be plenty safe if you keep it under 200. And I seem to have forgotten to show how easy this thing is to fold up, or fold down in this case. So all you got to do is push these two levers here, and then it folds down and out of the way. So these brackets are just a really good way to get some extra countertop for when you need it.